Welcome to IELTS Writing Task 2. Still struggling to score more than 6.5 in IELTS writing? Want to know on how to improve your IELTS writing? First, I will show you the step-by-step on how to analyze IELTS essay question, and I'll teach you on how to recognize and structure the 3 different types of IELTS essay question. Secondly, I will give you 3 simple yet highly effective brainstorming techniques. Thirdly, you need to know on how to plan and organize your essay. Finally, you need to identify and eliminate your spelling and grammar mistakes with 4 simple strategies. Got a question that needs an answer? Just click the link below.